Hey guys, Zeno back again with an awesome video. Today, I'll teach you all how to remove the background of an image without any effort. This is the most easiest method to do so. Happy Instagramming! So first open Google Chrome and search for photoscissors.com. Now click on upload image. Now select the image you want to upload to and remove the background, therefore to create a PNG file. Once you selected on the image, click on done option. I'm kinda having the trouble to select which image. This one or that one or... Yeah, this one should be fine. Yeah, so once you upload, let the image upload. You can see a plus and a minus sign. The minus sign is used to remove the color which you don't want, and the plus sign is used to retain the color which you want. So I click on the minus sign and just scribble, and click on the plus sign and click on the part which I want. Now as you can see, there are still some few black parts left. Shade that too with the minus sign and voila, it's removed. Now you have a PNG file of what you want. This can be done with any pictures. Now click on the save button and the image will be downloaded. Wow, this is so cool. Now I created the PNG file of Zeno. Yay! Now what can you do with this? Boop! I have an idea. Download PicsArt. The link will be given in the description below. Once you click on PicsArt, select any background image and select the image which you just removed the background from. With this, you can do magic. Wow! A watery resort and there's Zeno. Wow! Oh my god. Is he swimming? Where's his body? Why is he wearing a coat in the swimming pool? Okay, that's cool. So this is what he can do. Now you wanna be between buildings? Done? That's done. Now what if you want to be next to a cute anime girl? Yay! I'm so happy! I'm next to a cute anime girl! And you can do this too. This is the most easiest method to do so. There's no other way to do it as quick as this method. Hope you liked it. Hope you all enjoyed the video. And if you have any questions, hit me up in the comments below. Bye! See you guys later!
I'ma hit it from the back, I'ma pull up on a nigga with a bitch, pussy wetter than the lake. Young Quan got a nigga bitch, clown to the sea, in the back of the new car, no